What is up, everybody? Rez here, and there's like a last minute meet over at the Whole Foods at in downtown, so we're gonna actually go check it out and see what's over there. One of my buddies from my BMW days, he's gonna be hosting it. You know him, he took some pictures of the M3 and he's gonna be hosting that meet there, but he said anybody's welcome, and I told some of the EVO guys, so that's where we're headed to now. Let's go. You saw this shit's popping. There's still people coming in, but we got Mendez over here. You already know him, Cali Breeze Photography. This is his car. It's 328, right? Yeah, 328. But it's sick. We'll probably show a little bit more clips. I'll try to get the best lighting as possible, but there's still people rolling up. This is the Whole Foods in Chicago, where you can get these sick ass pictures. You'll probably see my cover photo. I'm not a photographer, but my man here is. I'll link him down below. I'll put his thing in the screen right here, so you guys can hit him up if you want pictures.
You guys get that low price from because you guys know my boy.
Yeah, so he'll hook you up with some good ass pictures. I know the M3. I took some pictures with him before, and he's taking pictures. He's still doing it. Get your pics before it's too late. The winner's here, but we're gonna see what's out here. All the cars. We got a sick M4 right here. We got his 328. The EVO's over here. We got some more people. Got some more EVOs coming. We'll see where the night takes us. Full bolt-ons. Might have to check it out. He's a student driver, so. All right. What's your name?
John Mill.
John Mill. He got the full bolt-on 335, right?
Yep.
Damn.
It's for sale.
What's it make?
Huh?
What's it make?
On OTS, like 530.
530? Is it a bigger turbo or stock turbo?
Stock turbo, 530 on OTS.
Okay. It's clean.
Those spark plugs, oh god. Yeah. I saw the skin.
He's loving it. The G-Gang. This guy's just trying to do his job. Crazy meet. We're probably gonna do a little cruise after this, late night. Who knows what it is? Damn, I miss the F80. Miss it. But it is what it is. Moving on to bigger, better things. Got a lot of clean cars out here. I think that's my buddy with the EVO 10. We'll see. Clean cars over here. Yep, that's him. What's up, man?
What's up, man?
Nothing much. They're thinking about going for a cruise in a little bit, so you want to pull up over here, closer to that side?
Yeah, I'll go around actually. I'm gonna go to Low Whacker real quick, and I'll come back.
All right. Yeah, we'll wait for you. Just let me know.
You guys are like by over there?
Yeah, you'll see my car. It's parked over there.
Got you.
Yep.
I'll come around.
Yep. This thing is clean. Makes you miss the EVO 10 too. Marshmallows.
NK music on the track.
This meet's pretty crazy. Good turnout. We're just looking around right now, trying to see if we can find more EVOs, but still a good turnout. Camera's dying, but I got the GoPro as a backup, so if we do any runs, we'll have the GoPro. The cops just came through. Everybody's dipping out. Trying to see where the second meet is at. Everybody's trying to get out of here. Dipping out, dipping out. You know what? What's your name again, brother? Ruben? We're probably gonna wait till the cops like come through, because I don't think they're gonna do anything except tell us to leave. So yeah, we're not freaking out. We're just gonna play it by ear, and then probably just dip out, let the cars warm up, see what they want. Great. That's why we can't have nice things. Everybody's dipping out. Damn, the cops. It's crazy. We're going to the second spot here, just trying to not cause any trouble for anybody. But the cops said we had to get out of here. What? No, just lead the way. Or we could follow them for a little bit, but just head towards Jewel or White Castle. Post it up. Damn, White Castles is lit. Damn, focus camera. Lit. But the police is already here. 5-0 is already here. We'll see. Goddamn scat packs. Dangerous to everybody. The new Mustangs. Calling it. No hate towards them, but might actually have to go get some White Castle. A lot of the people from the other one came over here. Oh, cops already here. IMovie. They're saying BP. I'm saying I want some White Castle. See what we're gonna do, but it's getting pretty crazy with the cops here. Then there was 3, the lone survivors. We got everybody out here. Say what's up. You already know. We're just waiting for a few more EVO guys. The meets kept getting shut down by cops, as you saw earlier, but we're just gonna do our own thing. Maybe like cruise down Lakeshore Drive, a few pools. We'll take a detour to Mexico, have a little bit of fun, but should be a good time. There's the oh shit, he stared right at us. Hopefully he doesn't come back. All right, we're going over to Lakeshore Drive. We're just gonna cruise down, maybe a few pools, and that's pretty much what we're gonna be doing. Can't wait. Looks like it's gonna be fun. There's just 4 of us. Evo Smurf, my buddy over here, and then Jose. So should be pretty fun. Let's see what we can do. Sketchy. The cops are right next to me. We haven't even done anything and they're already like all up on us. So well, I locked out a 3rd, but still kept up, Close. see too well. The fucking red lines. 30? 30? Great cruise, great pools. Learned a little bit more about my car, when the shift points are. Missed a couple gears, but it's been pretty awesome night overall. Glad I actually came out. Got to do some pools with them EVO guys. Jose right here. Again, we got a few good pools. Still learning. I gotta retune this thing. Be a whole different beast. But
I think it's gonna be a monster, man.
But all right, you already know what to do. See you next week. Always remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Rez out. We're out of here.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip